We're making an old family recipe for Scotch cookies, otherwise known as shortbread cookies. And I know our granddaughter would love to decorate these when she comes on Thursday, so I thought I'd make up the dough ahead of time. So you just make up the recipe, very, very simple, and then just knead it a little bit, and then you can roll it out. A little bit of flour, and all you do, take your rolling pin and just gradually roll it out. You keep flouring the rolling pin. Because it gets sticky. To about a 1/4 inch thick. You don't want them too thin. Has to be the cookie cutters. Now, sometimes they're just done in round shapes, but I like to use all different kinds of little cookie cutters. I have snowflakes, angels, snowmen, and stars, different shapes, sizes, mittens, and Christmas trees, and a different shape of snowflake. Well, no, I guess it's the same. That's all right. Different size of star. Gingerbread man. You can make them bigger if you like, but this is the ones that I have. Candy cane. Make some of the smaller ones first. Just another shape. Those many, and then you just press them down. Yep. Next, you're just going to take a little lifter. See if we can see if it's thick enough. Well, barely. You don't, because you don't cook them very long, and you don't want them too thin. Okay, so once you finish cutting those ones out, you just simply make another ball, more flour underneath. Try not to handle it too much, just a little bit of kneading to get it together, or flour. Okay, and again, you just roll it out. Okay, and you just make more. I'll make a couple bigger ones to fill that pan. There's a bell, bigger candy cane. Okay, so you just keep making them, and then preheat your oven to 300 Fahrenheit, whatever that is in Celsius. I'm not sure. For about 10 to 12 minutes. feel done.